Habakintaj halor ke jinggan tho ba ka Meghalaya State Planning Board MSPB ka aja ka rie ki politician u MLA ka UDP na Mawson Ram bat khat ka bon u ba Olan Singh Sun ula ong ba ka kamram ba kongsan jonga board ka long ban ai jingmut ki tanat sarkar ban penthikna halor ka jing pentre kam ki scheme hakalenti ka badai habakren shakilat pthai ku bor ha ka khatsan trek yayong uba olan ula kdo shai baka MSPB kam dei satya ka pentre ya ki project ka planning board kam pentre kam satya ya ki no ki project ngim dan ka no ka jing tuklar henry ka bangila ka long tang ban ai jingmut ya ka sarkar ni kitna sarkar ban pet ka ka jingarap ka batmai ka bangila ban le ula pan shai da ka ban ram bala pendan kami ki consultant da ki tanat ki pentre kam namar ka board ka dei tang ka committee ai jingman ula ong ru baka board kalaya kendu man ka por hapo ka jingalam jong chairman u ET mondal ban khmi benya eki program jong ki tanat sarkar nila lum RCN ya ka jingalang bat bishar benya ya ki program bala pentre kam da ki tanat bapher ban khmi halor ki ki jingduna bat ki jing ka ba ki tanat ki ya kendu haba pentre kam ya ki project ni ai jingmut ya ka sarkar halor ka ka bala ban penbet ong uba olan halor ki jingkin tho baka jingdon jong ka board kum ka rensan ban ai jakari ki politician ula ong tada ka board ka dei tang ka jakari ki politician kum taru kamlong ka badan jingmun hoot ngila ban shong bat pen wonder ya ki sinjam ki badai ban shim ban pen baka jilla bat ki tanat ba pher ki dei ban pentre kam ya baro ki scheme hakalinti ka badai uba olan ula ong bakila don ru ki riu shampang ki badan benta hakikam jong ka board ngila don benta ki riu shampang ru kila don benta lang hakani ka planning board benram
We are sitting from time to time under the chairmanship of our AT Mandal sir, who is the chairman of the planning board. We have called the meeting twice and we called the different departments to see what are they are doing, what the programs they are taking up, what programs, and we are discussing what are the shortcomings of the program, what are the problems they face while implementing the program projects. So we discuss and so we give suggestions to the government.
Do
What to
we,
do, what correction, what rectification to be done.
do we need a planning board? The experts are taking decisions, consultants.
We also involve experts, so members also are involved in the planning board.
I'm saying the
Yeah.
consultants are appointed.
No, not. The consultant is only engaged by the different implementing department, because board is only an advisory committee or the board to the government.
No, is it only to rehabilitate politicians? Otherwise, there is no meaning, it appears.
Yeah, of course, we are we are uh, we are sitting, we are thinking, we are planning what step next to be taken to see that the state is implement or the different departments is implementing all the scheme in the right direction.
So what are some of the new interventions of the planning board, if you can share, please?
Because in planning board is not an implement, we are not implementing any schemes, so don't have any intervention. Only we can advise to the government or to the department to see some new intervention, whatever necessary we can do it and keep some suggestion.
hakabaya dei berkajing theng kali haslong uba olan ulakdo bakaladon ka jingbyang hakini kindiat benai baladam dakaba ai buram halor ka jingpli ki surok baladap shnat mai nilai keren bat ki polit kumjo katanat kampo yeng ban penduna ya kajing theng kali hakenong ba shlong menta kajing theng kali kala khamduna habayanu jor bat ki san riu benai ki baladam ula ong POE akan surok ke balik Shah Anjali petrol pump ia akan surok thamai ladap ban pli bat ke balai Arab ban penduna ya kajing theng kali bat weng ya kajing POE nak opus long Shah Sherpi kajing shna ya surok menta ke ladap artan kumtang YOE ba kajing ya jungki kali kelas dang ban biang menrap uba olan naluar kata ulapun pauru ya kajing Syam Shimet jong u da kabaong man kapor bangalet nang niya siya oposlong kaju shimpor shikenta Henry menta ka shimpor tang katsan ne arpo menen ngayo I haka ni ka shibnai ya ka jingap her haka jing teng kali habayanu jor berkisau san benai ki baladam
That we have already discussed long time with the police department, with the home department, to see to decongest the traffic snarls in Shillong, in whole city of Shillong. And we can see that today we see that comparatively the traffic congestion was a little bit improved compared to the last 5-6 months before. You see that this road while going to Angeli petrol pump, there is a new road which is open now. That has decongested. The bottleneck is removed, and you see that from Shillong, Upper Shillong to Umshirpi, the road is now the 2-lane. This road is nearly near completion. So we see that the traffic congestion is really removed. It's improved to a great extent. While going, every time when I go from here to Upper Shillong, it takes 1 hour. But now hardly it takes 15-20 minutes. So I see that in this 1 month, I find a difference in the traffic congestion compared to 4-5 months before.